So I've had this Japanese tube radio on the back burner for way too long, and what I'm thinking, amongst other stuff, it didn't come with a grill, so I had my wife print me up some 3D lattice and just kind of made this thing. And it didn't come with any knobs, and there isn't a picture online of this exact, I don't know what model it is, but so there's going to be some guesswork, but that's all right, because then we can just kind of make it the way we want. I was thinking I can take some silhouette paper and we'll print off an AM and FM. I think this is FM and this is going to be AM. There's a green light like this red one, and it's pushed back in here, so I'll pull that back out. But let's test some tubes and replace some caps to get this thing rocking. So this is a 5-tube FM. There's 35W4, or I'm sorry, there's another tube back here. I think it's the 12BE6. Yeah. But there's what we're working with for a schematic, but it's got some holes in it, but we can figure it out. Okay, here we are with the chassis out. Haven't looked underneath it yet. Oh, it's a printed circuit board. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'm sure it'll clean up nice. But let's get those tubes out and test them. All right, this is a Japanese tube brand. It's called 10. I've seen these before. Let's test it. 85 for our 12BE6, 90 for our 12BA6, and so far all tubes have had good grid leak sensitivity. 100 for our 12AV6 with good grid leak sensitivity. About 97 for one diode, and about 89 for the other, so the diodes are good. All right, this is our 35W4 rectifier. And let's see. Woo! Doing pretty good. That's about 117, I would say. We really don't have to worry about grid leak sensitivity, but there it is. Our 50C5. This is our output tube. Good grid leak sensitivity. And we're about 100. Just a little over 100. All right, I'll test it for shorts and we'll go with what we got. Let's get after this filter cap. 240 microfarad. All right, here's the underside, and we'll start desoldering this thing. So I marked the negative with black. Let's put in the new filter. There's our new filters. And while I'm under here, I'm going to get these two. Cool, let's handle top side. Just a few more to go. Big indicator that you've got Japanese made is when you've got Suzuki parts. Okay, with the recap job done, and that's what we did, we can move on to putting an auxiliary, and we're going to attach that right to the volume knob there. I'm choosing to route it through here and into there because we can get strain relief, and also I can fit a rubber grommet there for our 3.5 millimeter cable. All right, we've got the auxiliary in. We've got strain relief. I've got it zip tied there, and strain relief to the negative, to the common. Let's throw in some tubes and see what it does. Okay, I've got it plugged in. We're going to turn it on, see what happens. Now, let me reach out in front here. And we should see the back two lights come on. If anything blows up, I'll be quick to turn it off. Oh. Tubes are tubing. Doesn't sound good. Turn that off. Let's see what happens when I hook up the Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth's hooked up. I don't smell any funny smells or see any blowing up yet. Seems okay. Let's try and play some music. I hear something. Let's turn up the volume. Tone switch works.
Change.
Okay, we got AM.
From Didier Deschamps or personnel change in the middle of the field.
Yeah, I think.
So I may have been mistaken, and it's hard to tell because I don't have anything to reference this to, but this could actually be an AM and a shortwave. And I had signal in for just a hot second on the other channel, and to me it feels like a shortwave. And we've only got 5 tubes, and I don't see any FM adjustments, so I think this is an AM and shortwave. But we got our work, and the Bluetooth works. Let's listen to a quick Bluetooth.
Just a little bit longer. Please, tell me you're going to. Now your daddy don't mind, and your mommy don't mind. If we have another dance, yeah, just the one more.
So from messing around with this, I realized this is actually an auxiliary. So I didn't need to do any of this. I'll probably undo this and attach it to here so I have an auxiliary. This is the antenna. I do believe that this is, now after messing with it, I believe that this is AM and shortwave, but I have no real way to confirm that till I can get everything working, and it's hard to get stuff working when you have no way to figure that out. But we have a partial schematic. We're going to check it out, do our best to figure it out, I guess, and it's going to be a work in progress, but I mean, I think it looks pretty sweet. And then once I figure out if it's AM or shortwave, or FM or shortwave, which I'm 99.9% sure it's shortwave, we'll put the numbers up here, and this is definitely AM down here, so we get AM, but we'll figure it all out, and it's fun to take some creative liberties. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. All right, take it easy. Thanks for watching.